Today's ever-increasing omni-channel distribution demands require system solutions to be flexible and scalable. Since its founding over 30 years ago, KISS has become a leading supplier in the cosmetic industry by shipping their products to over 50,000 mass retail and beauty supply locations, as well as fulfilling the rapidly growing direct-to-consumer orders through their e-commerce online web store. Their explosive growth led to the need for a more strategic approach to order fulfillment, highlighted by the company's move to consolidate multiple distribution centers into one state-of-the-art 480,000 square foot DC in Piscataway, New Jersey.
Prior to moving to this facility, we actually had 3 different warehouses that processed e-commerce orders, mom and pop beauty shop orders, and retail store. But by purchasing this facility, we were able to combine all of the inventory and the order processing. I was approached by managers to see what kind of automation systems that's out in the market. I started to do some feasibility tests with different vendors, and we ended up selecting MMCI.
From the analysis we did, looking at the order profiles for the 3 different business units, looking at the different products, the velocity of the products sold, as well as packaging, dimensional information, and packaging types. We broke the picking down into 3 separate picking areas and technologies. So the slow movers were picking via an intelligent cart picking process, picking multiple orders at the same time. And then when parts of the order are completed in cart picking, we introduce it into a tote to convey through other parts of the system. The fast-moving product that is packaged correctly to fit in an A-frame is automatically dispensed directly from an A-frame into a passing tote underneath that's assigned to an order. And then the items that are fast but cannot fit in an A-frame, or they're medium movers, we have those picked through a pick-to-light technology, and the pick-to-light orders are routed in a tote on a conveyor system only to the zones that have that product in it for picking. We wanted to take advantage of the height of this building. It's about a 40-foot clear building, so that's why we have mezzanines and multi-level pick structures to utilize the cube, because it's a very expensive area to build a building.
So on a Sunday night, we would usually receive all the orders for the next week in advance. So with that, we were able to see how many packing stations, how many pick modules, and what kind of different system we can use in order to process the orders.
When you're integrating multiple technologies as well as multiple processes, none of that will work on its own without the proper software to tie everything together. Our software manages inventory management as well as controlling systems for technology, conveyor routing, print and apply, pick-to-light, as well as order management to manage the picking process, the pack-out process, and shipping. The software that drives the overall system is software from DCX.
So we gather a lot of data from, not just from that day, it's from the week, maybe like 2 weeks, maybe a whole month. Then we see like improvements.
It's very flexible, easy to be adapted to any kind of product. Really not require a lot of maintenance. I mean, not downtime actually, and easy to control.
At MMCI, we thoroughly evaluate our clients' needs and design solutions that help them improve productivity, accuracy, and profitability. Having the experience to design and to integrate multiple technology solutions into a complete turnkey system while maintaining flexibility and scalability for our fast-growing clients like KISS is what sets us apart and ensures success for our clients.